If you need an eye cream, you need to get this one from Brickell Men's, and I'm going to show you why. So I use eye cream all the time, sometimes I go to bed a little too late. So you definitely want one of these. Whether you're a male or female, smells great. Just smells like cream. Doesn't have like a special smell or manly smell or something like that. So if you're a woman, you can definitely use these. So you just want to take some of it, obviously, and then just put it right under your eye like so. It doesn't sting or anything. Like I use this all the time, and I've used other Brickell Men's products, their other eye cream, and it never gives me an issue like, you know, like it burns my skin or anything like that. All their stuff is very natural, so you definitely want to try it out. You can see it, you just rub it on, it comes, you barely even see, I can even see it. So it's really good. So it's very relaxing, it's very nice on the skin, it doesn't feel rough or anything like that. So definitely check it out, and you know, they have other products you can also check out, but this one is great. So you can see it's, you know, it's a little bit small, but it does last a little while. So, you know, you can get more of them if you need to. So